Hi viewers, so in this video over here we have a 6-speed freewheel, and I'm going to show you how you can make it louder. Pretty simple. So in order to do this task you will need some bottle sprayer with the degreaser, and for the end over here you want to put some lube when you're done with it. And let me just show you how this works. So right here in front of us we have a 6-speed freewheel. Now generally if these things are lubricated the way they are, naturally they will be quiet. This one is about an average, so it's not too loud, it's not too quiet. Now I'm gonna just warn you that if you do wipe out all the lubrication from the mechanism inside, naturally these things will wear out much faster. So at the end, when we are done, I'm going to show you what you're going to use the oil for. So the first thing that I have done, I have this sprayer bottle here, and I put some orange, so that orangish color degreaser. And what we're going to be doing here, you see there is like an inseam over here that's preventing from dirt getting inside of the mechanism, so this freewheel stays lubricated. And simply what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to kind of do like an oil change flush, but on a freewheel. And let me show you what I'm talking about here. So you see here, I'm going to nicely make it wet, and I'm going to let that degreaser get in there and work. And what you guys are going to be doing, so here, see, I can already see how it's falling through. And you're going to be just, once you have get it damped and wet, see now, you see how I have a lot of lubrication around. So actually not lubrication, but I'm getting rid of that lubrication with this degreaser. So you see, as that degreaser starts to work, I'm going to be just now spinning this like this, you see. So I'm not sure if the camera is going to be able to catch, but you see, this thing, as the more you work and the more you keep flushing it, this thing gets louder and louder. And once you have it to your spec, so once you have it loud up to your standards, this is a really important part. You don't want to completely wash out the lubrication inside with this degreaser. You want to come back and use some kind of till chain lube over here. So for example, just see now, I'll let you see this on camera. It's kind of like a goldish color. See if you were able to see this. See how it's, see the drop. And you want to come back and you want to give it some lubrication, so this thing doesn't wear out. It will still last you quite a bit, but you don't want this thing to wear out pretty fast. So once you have it loud, give it like a really thin oil. What basically that means, just factor your car, if you give it like an oil change with a very thin oil, it will run a little bit louder. So basically that's how it's happening here. So again, just to sum it up, you really want to use some degreaser, or you can use some solvent to flush that lubrication there. So this one was about an average. And then once you keep flushing it and then spinning it at the same time, once you have achieved your results, that it's loud up to your specs, you just want to give it some thin lube. I'm going to at the same time link these in description, the greaser along with the tube, with the lube, thin lube. And that's basically that. So the more flushing you do, and the more you apply the degreaser, and the more you spin it this way, eventually you will achieve that. You're gonna get that louder freewheel, and that's pretty much that. Hope you found this useful. If you do so, give it a like, thumbs up, and take care. Bye bye.